In this question, we're asked to solve the linear equation 3x plus 3 is equal to 2x plus 5. So when we want to solve this equation, we want to make x the subject of the equation. So we want to collect all the x terms on the left-hand side and all the number values or number terms on the right-hand side. So we want to eliminate this 2x. At the moment, this is a positive 2x. So the opposite of a positive 2x is a negative 2x. So if we're going to subtract 2x from the right-hand side of this equation, we're also going to have to do the same on the left-hand side as well to keep the equation in balance. So if we do that, we'll get 2x minus 2x. So that's going to eliminate that 2x term on the right-hand side of this equation. And we'll just be left with that positive 5. And on the left-hand side, 3x minus 2x leaves us with just 1x, or x, plus the 3 term there. So we're left with x plus 3 is equal to 5. Now what we want to do is we want to do the opposite or the inverse of this plus 3 so that we can eliminate this term and have x by itself on the left-hand side of the equal sign. So the opposite of adding 3 is to subtract 3. So if we're going to do that on the left-hand side of the equation, we have to do the same on the right-hand side too. So by subtracting 3 on both sides, we'll get a positive 3 minus 3. So these two terms equal 0, so they essentially disappear, and we're just left with x on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, we have 5 minus 3, and that equals 2. So the final solution to this equation is x equals 2